Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, we're delving into the impressive pricing breakdown of the OnePlus 12, a smartphone that's making waves in the market. Let's talk numbers. The OnePlus 12's base model starts at just 4,299 Chinese yuan, offering a solid 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. For our Indian friends, that's approximately 50,600 rupees, making it an affordable yet feature-packed option. Need more power? The 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage variant are available for 4,799 Chinese yuan, roughly 56,500 rupees. This upgrade ensures smoother performance and ample storage for all your needs. But wait, there's more. For the ultimate tech enthusiasts, OnePlus has premium versions, 16 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage at 5,299 Chinese yuan, 62,400 rupees approximately, and an impressive 24 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage option priced at 5,799 Chinese yuan, around 68,200 rupees. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 delivers cutting-edge specs without breaking the bank, catering to a wide range of users with its diverse pricing options.